my name's Rohan Eriyagama. I am the Head of Business for John Clark Tayside. I would like to introduce you to our new facility at King's Cross Road, Dundee, and introduce you to some of the features and technology on our new site. The 8 Series Grand Coupe is just one of several incredible BMWs that you can view in our state-of-the-art showroom. This is our dedicated handover bay and waiting lounge. This is our purpose-built Motorrad showroom, where we cater for both your sales and your after-sales needs, and we truly make life a ride. I hope you enjoyed our sneak preview, and I can't wait to welcome you to our dealership soon.